Hi guys, welcome back to Julian's Garden. I'm so excited today and look at this. My roses arrived and so now I'm going to open the box out and let's show you what variety I got. I ordered a lot actually and I kind of shot up lots of track to see how much I got. I think around 70 roses and let's see what does it look like inside. I'm so excited. I can't wait, waiting for them for a long time. Okay, there, here, let me show you. So when I open the box like this, I got all the variety of the rose in here and my visit, my list of the roses. Let's open it. Okay, it looks like this. Got a lot of the damn newspaper. A lot. Wow. A lot. And here they are. They go into the bundle like this. Wow. And each of them, they got a task on. So many. I don't know where to start actually. And the key, we don't want the wood to dry out. All right, let me open them real quick and I show you the varieties and then I have to put them in, soak them in the water for at least 24 hours to 48 hours. But I think I'm gonna plant them out tomorrow morning or in the afternoon. I think they could be fine because they arrive very healthy root. Let me show you. Look at that. A lot of roots here. So let me open them really quick. And they look so healthy to consider it a root. Because I did buy some from the my local garden center. It wasn't have much of root like this. Okay. And I don't know where to start actually. They all kind of tangled at the moment. Let me get them out. Here, let's get this small bundle first. Here they all are, so I did change the plant. I just wanted to put them in the water first and at the end, I just go to the varieties of each of them and I put the label on like this, so I will show you what they will look like in the future when they in bloom because I don't want the root to dry out. So I will show the first one. Here is this one, Darwin. Beautiful. This one is from the breeder David Austin. I really love the yellow color. But when I look on the internet, the color they look more striking and the roses in the middle it look beautiful and I'm looking forward to it to grow in the future. And I haven't grown this rose on the variety of this before, so I will share my experience with of them with you in the future to see how they all growing. And so first I got 3 of these Darwin and 3 of black caviar. And the flower look like this. I really love the dark red flower. Very dark, very big flower. And I got 2, only one actually, 1 crocus because I got 2 in the garden already. So I want to get another one to make my trio or triangle shrub like this. So I only bought 1 more. And I bought 3 lady gardeners. This David Austin red as well. Let's see if you can see it clearly. beautiful. I really love it. And tree of Alliston field. And look at the picture, you can see it like orange, but actually it turned a little bit more what is this, salmon color. Actually it's not quite look orange like that, but we'll see. I'll show you picture when they on in bloom. And here's is the Indivara. This is salmon pink as well, and really pretty. Again, the breeder is David Austin. And three Diamond Jubilee. Diamond Jubilee, can you see that? This one have got very big bloom, beautiful scent. And this is quite old variety, and there is might have more susceptible to diseases, but I've been trying to take care of it to see how is it going, because I really love the big bloom and long stem, so I can use for cut flower. This one is hybrid, and this one, this very unusual shape and color, it's called Hercules. I look on the internet, the flower a little bit different and look more more refined than the picture. We'll see. I will show you in the future. And tree of Rodax design is really striking, red color. And again, I really love the dark red ones. And next one is red again, Firefighter. Really beautiful, it's very long stemmed, and for me to use them for cut flower. And tree of Unconventional Ladies. This one is kind of bright pink, and this variety go very tall. It's like can go to 1.5 to 1.7 meter tall. So we'll see how it's going, and I will try to keep it down a little bit. Maybe 1.4, something like that. Doesn't matter much as that spot because it's next to the fence, so I might let it go very full size, because I planned it next to the fence. And this one is called Madame NSS. This variety go quite tall and big as well, 1.5 meter. And I love the big bloom, really beautiful, and have long strong stem as well. Hybrid rose. And tree of Jubilee Celebration, really beautiful salmon pink color, and you can see the roses swirling in the middle. We love it, and bred by David Austin. Really nice. And what next? This one is Father Love, again red as well, but on the internet the rose, the color look much darker red, very velvet, deep red, not quite bright red like this. So I hope in the future they give me deep red. And next one, this one, Gallipoli Centenary. I got one of these in the garden already, so I bought two more to make trios, like in March planting. They plant in March, so it look more striking. Really lovely. I love this one very much. It's the first rose that I bought for my gardens 3 years ago, and I still loving it, so that's why I want to add two more. This tree of this rose, isn't she lovely? Beautiful, very disease resistant and strong stem, hybrid tea rose, so I can use for cut flower. And more in this wheelbarrow. This one, Deny Fum Parfuma. This is a new variety. Floribundos rose. I will looking forward to see it on in bloom. And as you can see, I show you some of the rows. They look smaller than the other. Like this one, you see the root, the stem look quite small, but they still have very good root structure. But like this one, they got very big stem. I think maybe this one 2 years old, and maybe this one is only 1 year old. And next, this one is called Pink Illusion. This is a new variety as well, hybrid tea rose. Very lovely, 1.5 meter tall and white. I'm so looking forward to it. And here is a light pink, very delicate looking pink, and I love the edge and how the roses forming as well. Look, it's really nice. And this one, the hybrid tea as well, so you can go between 1.5 meter height and wide. Next one is Mandarin Rose. Look at this, very dark red as well, but again in the picture it's not quite dark red, but in the picture when I look on the internet it look much darker and very big bloom and have very strong scent as well, very lovely. And here is the next one. This one, Floribundle Rose, how they bloom more like several more flower in one stems. Bordeaux, really lovely. This one grow only 80 centimeter high and wide. So that the spot I got it, I don't have much of the room there. So that's the plan. I try to put the small variety in the area that I don't have enough room for the big one. And here, this is new variety. The breeder is David Austin. Very lovely. This variety can tolerate more shades than other variety. And this one is, look at it, it's a vivid blooming, vivid flowering. That means it can bloom a long time and it grows 1.25 centimeter height and wide. Look at that. And here's the next one. Adorable Floribundle Rose, very lovely with the between purple and pink combines color. And this one can go quite small as well. I think the only me 80 centimeter height and wide, so very compact and very easy to put. Oh no, only 80 centimeter height and 50 centimeter wide, very compact. And here is the last variety that I got 3 of those. Really lovely. It's called No Surrender. Really beautiful. And this one only 1 meter height and wide. When I saw it, I really want this. And look at the color. Maybe a little bit bright, but really beautiful. And so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited about when all the roses arrive, and I will be very busy tomorrow because I'm going to leave them to soak overnight and plant them out tomorrow. I don't think I can finish to planting them tomorrow though. Maybe have to dress them out in the next day. But they will be fine. And see you in next video. Bye bye.